Imagine a meal tantalizingly delicious, yet most can't even take a bite. Leo Tolstoy, one of history's most revered authors, once compared this to art. To say that a work of art is good but incomprehensible to the majority of men is the same as saying of some kind of food that it is very good but that most people can't eat it. A profound thought, isn't it? Whether it's a slam dunk in basketball, a home run in baseball, or a checkmate in chess, these are all forms of art. They require skill, dedication, and a unique vision. But if they're not understood, not appreciated, are they still good? Art, like sports, is a universal language, yet its beauty often lies in its complexity. So, can we truly judge a work of art or a sporting feat if most can't comprehend it? Mull over that as you go on with your day. Remember, art is not just for the artists, and sports aren't just for the athletes. They're for everyone. The beauty of art and sports is that they connect us all, transcending borders and breaking down barriers. So the next time you see a breathtaking piece of art or an amazing sports play, take a moment, try to understand it, appreciate it, savor it. Because as Tolstoy reminds us, the value of art, like a good meal, is in its consumption.